I welcome you in my class once again, and I'm going to illustrate some of the steps for those who are not having the laptop. They can download the Mysql or the Android. You can see here, follow the steps. See, you can see. Here, this is, I have installed MySQL. Now, how to get it? How to get it? Let's see. So you will go to the I have already given the link to Amrita yesterday. He has practiced also. You can see I had given a link, and now you can go to the Play Store and you can write MySQL programming apps is here. Okay, lot of apps is here, but what I recommend, what I suggest is MySQL live practice this, right? The link of this is being forwarded in the chat mode. Those students who don't have, I am forwarding the link, and by this you can download it. I have sent it in the chat mode. Next, now how to execute the codes. Let's see. After installation, the things will be available here. Let's see. Let's see. You will now, you can see, now you will create a table. We are going to create, you can see, create table std1. Okay, create table std1, and now here I have given roll number, roll int, and then its size, it is 3. Okay, then here we will provide comma. Here we will provide name. Name will be of character data type. It's of 30, right? Finally, only 2 columns are checking, right? And now you will provide semicolon. So you try to find the semicolon. This is colon. I need semicolon. Okay. I need semicolon. It is not available here. Okay. Now, after doing this, what you will do? You will execute this query by clicking this portion. Okay. Execute this query. You can see after executing this query, see, I have executed the query. MySQL is revolving. It says that it is executing the query. Okay. You will get the result. std1 already exists. What it is saying, you can see here, error is being given here. Error has been thrown. std1 already exists. So you need to change the name. I am giving the name now std2. You can see I have given std2. Now after resolving it, now again I will click on execute query. I have executed the query. You can see it has given a message successfully executed. It has given a message successfully executed. Now means table has been created. Now after creating table, you need to see the structure of the table. Disk, desk std2. I have given the name std2. Now execute the query. Execute the query. You can see query is being executed. Null object desk std2. I think std1 I have given. I think. What was that? What was the name, Pranav? Whether it was
This was std2.
this was std2. Okay, let's study two. And I think I'm not getting the semicolon in my keypad. I should get the semicolon also. Okay, disk std2. Not if not, it is working. We will write insert it. Insert into std2. Then values. And here we will. The first is roll number. Roll number 1. Name is Ram. And its data type is varchar type. So we must write it within the double inverted comma, and after this we will execute the query. See what it is writing? Executed successfully. Okay, executed successfully. You can see what it is giving. Executed successfully. Okay, now after this I will add again one more to Syam. Okay, see again I have pressed execute query. Again I have pressed execute query. The query has been executed, prompted. Okay. Now next, I want to see the name. See the things which we have entered. So what is the name? It is select star from std2. Okay, execute the query. You will get roll number 1, Ram, roll number 2, Syam. Now suppose if I want to see the roll number 1, select roll from std2. You can see what we will get. We'll get only roll 1, roll 2. Now suppose if we want to see the name only, so we will write the name. You can see we have got the name. Now next, if you want to delete, we will use the update statement as I have taught you yesterday. We will write update std2. Update std2. Set name is equal to Raj. Okay, name is equal to Raj. Set name is equal to Raj, where roll is equal to 1. So it will change the name of roll number 1. Okay, let's see what happened. I have executed it. Query executed successfully. Now, how to see? In order to see, again you will write select statement. Select a star from std2. So what we will see? You will see that the name has been changed of roll number 1. You can see here. You can see Raj. Name has been changed. Similarly, you can use delete statement. Similarly, delete from std2, where roll is equal to All is equal to 1. Execute the query. You can see it has been executed successfully. Now you can check. You write select a star from std. Select a star from std. Execute. Now you want to find that you won't find the data of, sorry, not std, it is std2. Okay. You won't find the data of roll number 1 because I have deleted it. Now I hope you have understood it, and you have understood it. I hope all of you have understood it. If you have not understood, you can tell me one by one. So all of you have understood it, students. Amrita, is that clear to you? Start your video, Amrita. Amrita, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Have you practiced yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Was that clear? Now next, who is not having the laptop? Raise your hands. Who is not having the laptop? Please raise your hands so that I could ask him. Amrita, Mihir, unmute yourself and start your video. Mihir.
Yes, sir.
So you have understood how to use these apps for to solve the problems, to solve the exercise.
Yes, sir.
Have you installed it?
No, sir. After the class, I will install it.
Okay, you can do it right now also. Harshita, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen how to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you installed it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you will do all the exercises. Just now I will give some of the exercise. Okay. I will give some of the exercise. You are supposed to do it. Okay. Anybody else? Now, I'm going to give some of the exercise that you will do just now. Okay. So this is one of the exercise which you are supposed to do. Okay. This is create the table member as given above. Simple, you can see. This is T number. Okay, this is T number. This is name. This is salary. This is. So can you tell me? Can you tell what are the data types? What are the data types? Can you tell me? Raise your hand if you want to say. If you want to say, please raise your hands. Down your hand, Aja Pragya. Unmute yourself.
So for T number, data type can be integer. For
For
T
T number,
name, for T number integer. For T
Hmm.
name, char. Salary also integer. Area char. Age integer. Grade
Okay.
char and depth
Okay.
also char.
Amrita,
Yes, sir.
Amrita, tell me
Yes, sir.
tell me the data type.
Sir, now your screen is not visible.
Oh, see, I hope the screen is visible now.
Yes, sir.
So what will be
Sir,
the data type?
T
Okay.
number is integer.
Hmm.
T name
Now
is a
all those students who have understood, now write the syntax to create the table and send it just now. All those students who knows the answer of question number 1, question number 2, they should solve it. Okay, if you know the answer, you solve it and you send me. I will check it and I will send you back instantly. Right now, instantly, I will send you back. So do it. Hurry up. All those students who knows the answer, please solve it just now. Pragya, will you solve it? Now let's say create the table member. Okay, in order to create the table member, what we need? We need to write the syntax that you will do. I hope this is classwork for you. Syntax, you know pretty well. We will use the table. We will use the command create table. Create table. The name of this table is, all those students who know, please send it. What is the name of this table? I hope it would be visible. Wait 1 minute. Member. The name of this table is member. Okay. So create table member. Right. We will write create table member. Create table member. The first it is T number. It will be of data type integer. Size, I consider it 3. Okay. After this, next we have T name, character type. Size I am giving 30. Okay. Next, it is salary. It is, I am providing integer for the sake of the class. Later on we will discuss the other attributes, other data type. I am giving 5. Okay. Next, after this, area. So area, it is of character, and it's of 10. Next, after this, we come to age. It is of integer. Size I do provide 2. Next, I provide grade. Next, if you have done, please send it on my WhatsApp. I will check it instantly and I will send you back. Okay, it is grade. It is char of size 1, and it is last is DEPT, character type. Size I am providing 10, and finally I have closed it. So this is the answer. Pragya, have you done it? Unmute yourself. So this is.
Yes, sir, completed, and it was executed successfully as well. I sent it.
Okay.
I sent it on WhatsApp.
Okay. I will check it, Pragya. Let me make it clear. I will check it in the class only. So dear students, what I want to tell you that you can see here we have written the command. Here we have written create table. The name of the table is member. From where it has came? It is the name. Okay. The first one, it is T number. You can see this is T number. This is the first attribute. And this is the T number. Okay. It is description of this. After this, we have T name. You can see this is T name, right? This is T name, and it has came from here. So similarly, after all the attributes, finally this is DPT and this is DPT. And at the end, I have placed the closing brackets. So I hope it is clear to you. Okay. So after this, next we have, I have solved the question number 1. Okay. I have solved the question number 1. Now come to question number 2. Show the structure of table. For this, you can write this command, that is disk member. Okay, disk member. This is the answer of question number 2. This is of this disk member. Insert record in the member. in order to insert the record. Now what you will do, if you have done, you will send it, you will do it and send it back. In order to insert the record, we will use insert into member values values values, and then we will write all the values like, okay, KESHAR, and then salary it is 40,000, Kesher, comma 40,000, area it is west, grade 45, age 45, grade C, and department civil. Okay, civil. You can see finally. So I hope you have understood this. This is how to insert this is answer of question number 3. This is answer of question number 3. I hope it is visible. Insert. Now display all the records. In order to display all the record, what we will write? In order to display all the record, we will write select the star from member. Right? We'll write select a star from members. This is answer of question number 4. So I hope you have understood it. So the display T number and T name. Display T number and T name. In order to do it, instead of a star, we will replace it. How we will write? Select T number, comma, T name from member. This will do it. Okay. This is the answer. I hope it is visible to you all. Next, show the structure of table. You know pretty well. Okay. So till here, how many of you have done? Let me see. I hope it is visible. You can take the screenshot. And further, I have also taken my screenshot. Now let me see how many of you have done. All those students who have done, may I request you that please raise your hands so that please raise your hands. All those students who have done, please raise your hands. Pragya, you have done? Wait, acha. Pragya, Amrita, let me see. That's up. This is of Pragya. Okay, Pragya. This is of okay. So this is work of Pragya. She has written create table. So Pragya, are you using that? Apps, or you are using your laptop? Finally, let me check it. Today it is 19/1. Okay. Okay. I think Pragya, you have received it. You have received the correction, Pragya. Pragya, have you received the correction? Please unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
You have received.
Yes, sir.
Now next
Sir,
one. Okay.
this disk command doesn't
Wait.
work actually.
Disk is not working. That I can understood. Okay, that I could.
And so, would you recommend us to download MySQL on our laptop systems?
Now you can see. You download it. Now this is of Amrita, I think. Amrita, is this yours? Unmute yourself. Amrita,
Yes, sir.
this is yours. So what
Yes,
is,
sir.
dear student, those who can find out the error, they can say create table member, T
No,
number.
sir. Sir, ये मेरा नहीं है.
Oh, this is not yours.
No, sir.
Let me see whose it is. Let me see. Wait 1 minute. Let me see whose work it is.
Sir,
I think
it's
it's of Harshita.
yes, sir.
Harshita. Okay, create table. So, dear student, try to find out the mistake. If you can, create table member, T number, INT3, T name, character 30, salary, INT5, area 5, grade, character, department, CHAR, character 10. So, everything is fine. What is wrong here?
Sir, I don't know, but no, I'm executing. It's not executing.
Okay,
I
create,
think she
CREAT,
can,
create. Huh?
sir, I think she can avoid that space between T number and the bracket at like the initiation. of the bracket.
Same is there. So you do one thing, Harshita, that
Yes,
you
sir.
remove the unnecessary space. I think here lies one space. At this place, here lies one space. Right, everything is quite fine. T number, create, and see, you write a small salary. You write in a proper case. Okay, you write like this, create table in a small one. Okay, like this, create table like this. Okay, in a proper case you write down. I hope you will do it.
Okay, sir.
It will do. Create table member. What error has been thrown? Let me see this also. What error has been thrown? Let's read the error. Let's try to read the MySQL exception, what it has been given. Let's see it. MySQL syntax error, you have an error. Yes, check manual that correspond to your MySQL server. You can see here what it is. You write syntax to use near T number. So your error lies here near the T number. So let's see what mistake you have done near the T number. Near the T number, what error you have done? Near the T
So
number.
she has given a space.
Wait 1 minute. You have given a space. See here. You have, Amrita, you have given one space. Sorry, Harshita. Harshita, here is the, I think you have given the space. This is the space. You remove it and you execute it and you let me know whether it execute or not. Okay, you do it. Okay, Harshita, you will do it. Okay, Acha, I have unmuted all of you. Not a specific one. I have unmuted all of you. Please take command of your mic.
Yes, sir, I will do.
Okay, do it again. And next student who has submitted, that is Amrita. Okay, so Amrita.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have received your work and this is of Amrita. Okay, and finally it has executed. If anybody else you have done, please send it back to be checked. Okay, right? This is correct. And Have you received your work, Amrita? Next, anybody else who has done, he or she can send. Now, any problem? Khushbu, unmute yourself. Pranab Verma, have you done? Please unmute your video. Start your video, Pranab.
Sir, there was an error in my.
Okay, you share the screen. You share the screen. You share the screen. I have given you the permission. You can share your screen. You click on share screen, then you click on a screen. Okay. You click on a screen, then you start. You will see the error. And all Sakshi, Archit, what's wrong with you? Have you done?
Yes, sir.
So you have not sent. You have not sent it for the correction.
Sir, I will send it to you.
Oh, you send it. Send it immediately. One more student has sent it. Net connection is not proper. One more student with 163 mobile number. Who is this? Who is this? Nikki. Nikki had sent also. Okay, next. 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 Let's see the next questions. Okay, insert record we have done. Display all the record. Display T number that we have also done. Add one more column with character after T name. Okay, you have to add one more character, one more column. Now see, how do I see my creating table? So you can see you can use select statement. You can use select statement. You can use select statement to see the table. Okay. My net is not working properly, so I'm not able to download your sent homework, but I have received. Nikki, your one is correct. I have checked it. Let me check it. I'm not able to share it with your friends, between your friends, but your one, it is correct. I have gone through it. Okay. I have gone through it. It is correct. Okay. It is correct. Let me check it. It is correct. It is correct. I have sent it back, Nikki. Now next, come to this question. I'm going to discuss this question, right? I'm going to discuss this question. Add one more column. Add one more column, serial number. Okay, I'm going to discuss this question. Question number 9. Okay, I'm going to discuss question number 9. Question number 9 says add one more column, serial number as integer data type as a first field. Means before this. Okay, before T number, you are supposed to write add one more column. So it will be the case of insert or update. Please raise your hand. Pranav, Pragya, you need to add one more column. What you are doing here? Pragya, unmute yourself. So now, which type of case it is?
Recording in progress.
Not to avoid any unforeseen situation, I have taken one more. Right. Now, which type of case it is? Tell me. Mihir, unmute yourself. Mihir, unmute. I want to add one more column. Now, which type of change we are going to do? Amrita. Don't write, Pragya, don't write in the chat box. Let everybody give opportunity to think. Okay, Amrita, Archit,
Yes,
tell me.
सर अल्टर टेबल और जो टेबल का नेम रहेगा.
Very good. Means you are going to use alter. You are not going to use update. Right? Why, Sakshi? Tell me. Sakshi.
Sir, update is used to change in the change in the data, but alter is used to change in the structure.
Okay. Means here in this case of question number 9, add one more column, serial number as integer. Okay, in this case, what we are going to do, add one more column. In this case, we are going to add, okay, in this case, or in this case, add one more column in both the question numbers 7 and 9. In question number 7 and 9, in this question as well as in this question, we are going to add columns. We are going to add column. Okay. So adding columns means changing the structure. Adding the column, adding columns means changing the changing a structure. So use of alter will be table will be done. I hope you have understood. Is that clear? Now, adding column means changing the structure. I hope it is clear. Now, when you are going to add the row, what happened in that? Now, one by one, you will unmute and you will answer. Mihir, adding the columns. Mihir, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Adding column means what? Changing the structure or changing in data or changing in data?
Changing structure.
I'm not saying adding column. I'm saying adding row. What does adding row means? Adding rows doesn't mean change in the structure, but adding columns means change in the structure. Right, Amrita, did you got it? Amrita, did you got it?
Yes, sir.
Archit?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is the case of alter. Okay, this is case of alter. I hope you got it now. So how you will alter the table? टेबल को कैसे alter करेंगे? देखो क्या कह रहा है? Add one more column, serial number as integer data type as a first field. Okay, add one more column as integer data type. तो सबसे पहले देखो यहाँ पर बिफोर और आफ्टर क्लाउज को हम लोग बाद में लगा लेंगे. ठीक है, बिफोर और आफ्टर क्लाउज को हम लोग बाद में लगा लेंगे. अभी हम लोग देखते हैं अल्टर कैसे करेंगे. सिंपल वे टू राइट द अल्टर इज दैट, see here, I'm going to write the syntax. Here it will not be visible, so I should write it. Let me clear this screen first. I am writing it here. Okay. What we will write? Alter table. I hope it is visible. I hope it is visible to all. Unmute yourself, everybody. Keep yourself unmuted. Is it visible?
No, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay. Alter table. Okay. What we will write? Alter table member. MEMBER. Okay. Alter table member. Right. Now, when you are altering the table, listen, student, I'm going to teach you the alter. Okay, I'm teaching you alter. So alter bring change in the structure, right? Alter bring change in the structure. Okay, so alter bring change in the structure. When you are changing the structure, you do one of the things. There are three clauses of the alter. You do one of the things. When you are altering the table, so you do either of the work. First, either you try to add one more field. Either you try to add one field. Okay? Either you try to add one field or you try to modify existing field. Okay, you try to modify existing field. Okay, or you try to add you try to remove, or you try to remove existing field. Okay, or you try to remove existing field, right? So alter table member, what you are supposed to do in the case of this question? Raise your hand, Amrita. What you are supposed to do in the case of this question? Add, modify, or drop.
Add.
You are supposed to add. Okay, you are supposed to add. Okay, add. Okay, so you are supposed to add. So what we will write here? Alter table member. So we will write here add. What you need to add? Serial number. You need to add serial number. Okay, so you will write add. Again, you will provide serial number. Okay, SNO. What is this data type? It's of integer and it's of size 3. So this is the way to add this is the complete statement to add one more column. Now the use of before and after I will teach you later on. After this. So alter table member, add serial number. Okay, this is one of the way. Let's see whether it work or not. Let's see whether it work or not. Let's take a practical look up. Okay, let's take a resume. So yesterday we have created a database. नाम तो याद नहीं होगा किसी को याद है? बताओ जल्दी, किसी को याद है जी? कल का नहीं याद है, हमको भी नहीं याद, पर मेरे कंप्यूटर में ही ये काम हुआ था. हाउ आई विल सी. कमांड इज हियर, शो डेटाबेसेस. जितने भी डेटाबेस है मेरे कंप्यूटर में सबका लिस्ट आ गया. अब बताओ कल हम लोग कौन सा बनाए थे बच्चों? टेल मी, कल कौन सा बनाए थे चिल्ड्रंस? बनाए थे कोई बात नहीं, नेट ब्रेक हो गया था. बताओ कल हम कौन सा बनाए थे बच्चों? कोई ध्यान में आ रहा है? बोलो. नो सी.
यस सर, वही बनाए थे.
स्टूडियो था.
अरे मेरे बच्चे देखो यहाँ, ठीक है, मेरे को नहीं याद था कि मैं कौन सा डेटाबेस बनाया, तो उसके लिए मैंने किस कमांड का यूज किया, सो डेटाबेसेस का यूज किया, ये वाले कमांड को डाला। इसको अपनी कॉपी में लिख लो, ठीक है। अब उसके बाद मेरे कंप्यूटर में देखो ये वाला डेटाबेस कल बनाए थे, मेरे जानकारी में जो है क्लास 11 बनाए थे। क्या बनाए थे? क्लास 11। इसको हम लोग यूज करके देखें, लेट्स सी। अब हम इसको कैसे ओपन करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे? यूज class 11. I have done. Okay, you can see which command I have used. I have used use class 11. अब इससे क्या हो गया? It has. अब काम देखो यहाँ पे लिख दे रहे हैं, ध्यान देना, ठीक है, हम लिख भी दे रहे हैं। So databases, what is use of this? It is used to display the list of database in computer, ठीक है। I hope it is clear, students. Next,
Yes, sir.
now what this does? Use. It is used to open the database, make it ready to use, make it ready to use. I hope it is clear. समझ में आ गया? ठीक है, इज दैट क्लियर? मेक इट रेडी टू यूज। तो भैया हमने डेटाबेस को ओपन कर लिया, हम लोग डेटाबेस के अंदर चले गए, डेटाबेस तैयार है। अब डेटाबेस के अंदर में क्या है ये जरा बताओ साक्षी, मेरा सीधा सवाल तुमसे, डेटाबेस के अंदर में क्या है, क्या है साक्षी? बोलो जल्दी, पन्ना मत पलटो, दिमाग को थोड़ा पलटो, ठीक है। डेटाबेस के अंदर में क्या है, बोलो जल्दी। प्रज्ञा, साक्षी, I have unmuted all of you.
Attribute.
चलो देखते हैं क्या है, ठीक है, देखते हैं।
Sir, records.
अरे देखते हैं, सो टेबल्स, ठीक है, देखते हैं इसके अंदर में क्या है। ओ, इसके अंदर में स्टूड टेबल है, इसके अंदर में क्या है, टेबल है, ठीक है। तो डेटाबेस के अंदर में कितने टेबल्स पड़े हुए हैं, कितने टेबल्स सड़े हुए हैं, सबको देखने के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं, सो टेबल्स। किसका यूज करते हैं, सो टेबल, राइट। सो व्हाट इज यूज ऑफ सो टेबल्स? इट इज यूज टू, इट इज यूज टू, दिख रहा है जी, डिस्प्ले द टोटल, डिस्प्ले द टेबल्स, दिख रहा है?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
कहाँ दिख रहा है? हमको तो नहीं दिख रहा है। Is it visible? Now it is visible.
yes, sir.
Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
You have told wrong, but it was visible. Okay. तो सो टेबल का काम क्या हो गया ये बताओ बच्चों।
So it is visible.
ओके चलो, विजिबल है। इट इज यूज टू डिस्प्ले द टेबल्स इनसाइड द डेटाबेस। तो मैंने देख लिया, मैंने खोज निकाला कि कल हम किस पर कर रहे थे। सो यस्टरडे वी वर वर्किंग ऑन, कल हम किस पर काम कर रहे थे बच्चों, यस्टरडे वी वर वर्किंग ऑन दिस टेबल स्टोर्ड। अब इसका स्ट्रक्चर देखने के लिए कौन सा कमांड है, इसके स्ट्रक्चर को देखेंगे हम लोग। अब इसमें क्या है, क्या क्या डाले हैं, इसको देखने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, इस std, इस std का यूज करेंगे। देखो यहाँ पर हमारा टेबल का स्ट्रक्चर दिख गया, ठीक है, हमारा टेबल का स्ट्रक्चर दिख गया, ठीक है। सो व्हाई वी हैव यूज्ड दिस, व्हाट वी हैव यूज्ड, we have used this stored. Okay, why it is used? It is used to display the structure of the table. Why it is used? It is used to display the structure of table. का यूज क्या है, it is used to display the structure of table. ठीक है, तो कौन सा क्लास तुम लोग को ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है कंप्यूटर के केस में, ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन? प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। मुझे तो ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है ऑनलाइन वाला, ओ जी
online.
अब यहाँ देखो,
ऑनलाइन ठीक है
Line
सर।
line on the
So,
it is used to display the
on
structure of table. ठीक है, I hope it is clear. ठीक है, अब चलो स्ट्रक्चर दिख गया। अब भाई मेरा अगला सवाल क्या था, अब इसके अंदर में डाटा क्या है वो देखना है। तो सेलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम स्टोर। देखो यहाँ पर इसके अंदर में एक ही डेटा था। ठीक है, मेरा क्वेश्चन क्या था कि पहले में सीरियल नंबर डालना है। ठीक है, वी हैव टू ऐड सीरियल नंबर। तो हमने क्या किसका यूज करेंगे, देखो यहाँ पर, देखो यहाँ अल्टर का यूज करेंगे। अल्टर टेबल, अल्टर टेबल मेंबर। ओके, अल्टर टेबल मेंबर means what the statement is saying? It is saying that alter table.
सर हम लोग के पास तो मेंबर नहीं है ना, हम लोग स्टूड में ही करेंगे।
Okay, 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 Pragya, you are correct, 100% correct. You are alter table. What we will do? एकदम सही बात बोली। alter table stud stood। अब क्या करना है इसमें, ऐड करना है। ऐड, add, we need to add, what we need to add, we need to add one column. Okay, serial number SNO, it is of add, and here it is SNO, it is of integer type and size 3, right? Size 3. Okay, you can see it, you can see, dear students, you can see what I have used. Alter, okay, Vasi, alter table stood add. Okay, here we have done. Okay, this is alter table. Okay, this is the command alter table stood. What it is saying, alter table stood is saying alter table stood. Okay, alter table stood. What it is saying, that we are going to alter the structure of table stood, and then after we are using add. What it is saying, that in alter we do 3 works, either of the 3 works, add, modify or drop. देखो भैया यहाँ पे चाहे तो add होगा, चाहे तो modify होगा, ठीक है, चाहे तो drop होगा। तीनों में से कोई एक काम होगा। अपने दिमाग से, बुद्धि से, विवेक से तय कर लो कि कौन सा यूज होगा। अल्टर टेबल स्टूड ऐड। अब ऐड हमें, चलो भाई मेरे केस में क्या करना है, तो भाई मेरे केस में, इन माय केस आई हैव टू यूज ऐड, तो हम बाकी ये सबको हटा दे रहे हैं। ठीक है, ऐड करना है। ठीक है, ऐड हो जाएगा। अब हम लोग क्या इसमें ऐड कर रहे हैं, सीरियल नंबर को ऐड कर रहे हैं। SNO कैसा रहेगा जी, कैसा रहेगा, ये इंटीजर टाइप का रहेगा। साइज 3 दे दिया। अब जिस तरीके से आपने इस ब्रैकेट को ओपन किया है उसी तरीके से इसको बंद कर दीजिए। समझ में आ गया बच्चों? इज दैट क्लियर टू यू? So is that clear to you, Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
अरे क्या बढ़िया से बोलो, विथ फुल कॉन्फिडेंस तो बोलो। हर्षिता,
Yes.
हर्षिता,
yes sir.
अब तुम लोग बोल नहीं रहा है बढ़िया से, इतना मेहनत से पढ़ाया, कम से कम थोड़ा कस के बोलो कि वहां से आवाज चल के, कंप्यूटर से नहीं, तुम्हारी आवाज वहां से यहाँ आ।
yes sir, समझ में आया।
आ गया? दूसरा
Yes, sir, आ
क्लास
गया।
क्या है? ओके,
Yes, sir,
दूसरा
आ गया,
हमारा
sir.
क्या है, मॉडिफाई। दूसरा क्या है, मॉडिफाई। मान लो, देखो यहाँ पर मॉडिफाई का यूज बताते हैं बच्चों, यहाँ देख लोगे। देखो यहाँ पर नेम का साइज क्या है जी, 30 है ना, 30 है। हम इसको मॉडिफाई करके 50 कर देते हैं। क्या करेंगे, 50। तो क्या करना होगा, इसको हम लोग 50 करेंगे। ठीक है, इसको हम लोग 50 करना है। ठीक है, 50 कर देना है, 50। ये ऐड हम नहीं कर रहे हैं, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू ऐड, इन दिस केस वी आर गोइंग टू मॉडिफाई। हम क्या लिखेंगे, व्हाट वी विल राइट, अल्टर, अल्टर टेबल, क्या लिखेंगे, स्टूड, स्टूड मॉडिफाई। यहाँ पर ऐड नहीं करने जा रहे हैं, क्या करने जा रहे हैं? मॉडिफाई। किसको मॉडिफाई करना है? इसको कि इसको कि इसको, किसको? तो भाई नेम को करना है। किसको करना है? नेम को करना है। क्या करना है? कैरेक्टर कर रखना है। क्या करना है? 50 कर देना है। देखो करके हो जाएगा। ठीक है, तो लेट्स सी इट, देखते हैं करके हमारा प्रयास कितना सार्थक है। अल्टर टेबल stood modify name care 50 डन। एंटर की प्रेस किया, डन हो गया, एकदम डन डनाडन हो गया। ठीक है, तो अब देखते हैं हम लोग। ठीक है, अब देखो यहाँ पर क्या, देखो यहाँ डन हो गया। ठीक है, अब ये डन देखो यहाँ पर दिया क्यूरी ओके। ठीक है, ये हो गया। अब हुआ कि नहीं हुआ कैसे पता चलेगा? कैसे पता चलेगा? तो भाई यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या करेंगे? डिस्क का यूज करेंगे, STUD। ठीक है, डिस्क स्टूड। देखो हुआ, देखो यहाँ पर हुआ या नहीं हुआ? अरे हुआ जी, बोलिए नहीं रहा है, बोलता ही नहीं है। देखो यहाँ पर 50 हो गया। ठीक है, 50 हो गया, मीन्स वी हैव मॉडिफाई। पहले वाले में कितना था? 30 था। ठीक है, आई होप इट इज क्लियर। और देखो यहाँ सीरियल नंबर भी जुड़ गया है, ये सीरियल नंबर भी जुड़ गया है। अब हम चाहते हैं कि इस सीरियल नंबर को हटा दें, इस सीरियल नंबर को हटा दें। इसके लिए भी हम क्या यूज करेंगे? सिमिलर अल्टर टेबल स्टूड ड्रॉप। ड्रॉप ड्रॉप किसको ड्रॉप करना है? SNO को ड्रॉप कर देना है। देखो, ठीक है, मीन्स वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ टेबल एंड वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉप, रिमूव द कॉलम। देखते हैं हम लोग। ठीक है, तो अल्टर टेबल स्टूड ड्रॉप, ड्रॉप ब्रैकेट में SNO डाल देते हैं। नहीं लिया, नहीं लिया, नहीं लिया, मिस्टेक है, यही मिस्टेक होगा। देखो SNO। ठीक है, डन। भाई ध्यान देना है यहाँ पर कि ये ब्रैकेट का यूज नहीं यहाँ पर करना है। ठीक है, विल नॉट मेक यूज ऑफ ब्रैकेट, दिस ब्रैकेट, ये वाले ब्रैकेट का यूज यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा सुधार करने की आवश्यकता है। ठीक है, अल्टर टेबल स्टूड ड्रॉप, you will write SN या जो भी है, जिसको भी ड्रॉप करना है। ठीक है, जिसको भी ड्रॉप करना है। इन माय केस इट वाज SNO। ठीक है, SNO ऐसे लिख देंगे, हमारा काम हो जाएगा। आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड इट। ठीक है, आई होप यू ऑल हैव understood it. You can take the screenshot of this. I have taken. You are supposed to do it. I hope you have understood. Now, finally, the conclusion of this class is that today we have learned about the alter. आज हम लोग alter के बारे में पढ़े हैं। alter के बारे में हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा? We have learned that alter. We have learned that alter. It is used to. Alter. It is used to bring change in the structure of table. This change in structure of the table can be of three types. First, by adding the row. Second, by modifying the row. Third, by removing. For adding, we need to use add clause. For modifying, we need to modify the clause. Use modify clause. To remove, we need to use drop clause. Right? So question goes to this was the learning of today. I have shared one of the question. All this question you will do. You will use the after and next day I will teach you after and before clause. Okay. और I will send you the question in the snap homework. You are supposed to do it, solve it. If you have any problem, I am always available, and I always expect that you must come with your problem. I'm very curious, very enthusiastic to resolve your problem. Teaching must go on. This is the lesson. This is the lesson in this pandemic. Situation चाहे जो भी हो, सीखना सिखाना, पढ़ना पढ़ाना और रुकना नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है. बाधाएं आती हैं तो आए घिरे पिले की घोर घटाए, पांव के नीचे अंगारे छाए, फिर भी कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा. ठीक है. With this, I end my class of today. Thank you very much.